Everyone has different reasons for dealing with depression. One thing that tends to happen is that people become much less active. When you're feeling down, getting out of bed, moving around, or even stepping outside can feel like climbing a mountain. Often, this struggle gets mistaken for laziness or a lack of willpower. But in reality, fatigue and a sense of being drained are just part of the deal with depression. That's because depression messes with your brain's happy chemicals like serotonin, which boosts your mood, and dopamine, which is all about rewards and motivation. When these neurotransmitters drop, you just don't feel inspired to do anything. These brain chemicals are essential for feeling motivated. Researchers found that when they engineered mice that couldn't produce dopamine, those little guys wouldn't even eat when food was right in front of them. But here's the kicker: when scientists gave them dopamine, they started munching away like normal mice again. The same goes for humans. When depression reduces those happy chemicals in our brains, we stop trying to do anything, and suddenly, it feels impossible to leave the couch. The problem is that while staying still might feel comfy, it can actually make you feel anxious and restless. NASA did a wild experiment to study how zero gravity affects the body. By keeping participants in bed for days, one thing they noticed was that these folks experienced a ton of anxiety. But here's the surprising part: moving around helped ease that anxiety. Recent studies in exercise science have been diving into how working out, or just being active, impacts mental health. In one study with 156 patients suffering from severe depression, they split the participants into groups. One did exercise, another just took medication, and a third did both. After 16 weeks, everyone showed significant improvement. But here's the cool part: when they checked back in 6 months later, those who exercised had a much lower chance of relapsing, compared to those who only took meds. No matter what kind of exercise you choose, moving your body boosts blood flow to your brain, releasing all those feel-good chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. Recent research shows that people who stay active experience less anxiety and depression. Being physically active can be just as effective as medication for treating depression and anxiety. So, as the famous architect Louis Sullivan once said, form follows function. Everything has a purpose, and that goes for our bodies too. Sure, we might not be the fastest or strongest compared to other animals, but our bodies are pretty amazing. With 200 bones, over 600 muscles, and more than 100 joints, we can move in all sorts of cool ways. There are endless fun activities to try. So, whether it's dancing, playing a sport, or just going for a walk, find something you love to do. Moving your body not only keeps you healthy but also makes you happier. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gym rants and fitness tips. Catch you next time.